Hey everyone, I'm Kevin with Victory 4x4. In this video, we're going to install our ditch light mounting bracket on this 2022 Nissan Frontier. So here I have the pair of brackets. Essentially, they're just a mirror image of one another. So passenger side, driver side. We're going to be working with the driver side for the purposes of this video, but the installation over there is essentially the same. So starting out under the hood, since you are going to be using the hood mounting hardware to secure these in place, I'm going to take a Sharpie and recommend you do the same with something, a paint marker, whatever you have will work, to just kind of trace a couple edges of this hood mounting bracket. That way you know you get them back in the same place after having that hardware removed or loose. From there, you're going to want a 12mm socket to remove the hood mounting hardware over here, and then it's a good idea to grab a rag or a microfiber or even an extra set of hands to help hold this back corner of the hood if you have somebody close by. This usually works pretty well. You can then take your socket and remove both of the factory nuts back here in this location. And just make sure you're supporting the hood before you pull the second nut all the way off. So to do that, I'm kind of just pushing down on the top side of the hood over here, which keeps it aligned pretty well with the bracket when you have the hood strut still holding it up here. You can then slip the bracket over the back of the hood and up onto the two exposed mounting studs, and then start those factory nuts back in here. Once both of those are started, you should have some adjustment front to rear in your slots. For that, you want to just step outside and kind of take a look at the top side of the hood and make sure the bracket is not contacting the hood itself in what would be kind of this area right here. Again, on the driver's side bracket. And then you can switch your ratchet around, line the bracket back up as far as that factory bracket to the hood goes, and then tighten these up. As far as that is concerned, this bracket is now installed once that's tight, and you can go repeat that process over on the other side. You can then come up top and start mounting your lights and routing wires. So we've got a set of Baja Design Squadrons here. These are also just large enough that you can run these alongside an antenna if you want to push the light all the way to one side and put your radio antenna up here as well, nice and out in the open, so you'll get some good signal there. And then it's just a matter of making sure that your hardware is going to work out. It's not too long where it's going to contact the paint on your hood, and then you can get these bolted in place. In addition to that, the brackets do contain a series of holes along here for zip ties or cable ties, so you can have your wires routed and tied up nice and neat as they route down underneath the hood and out to whatever switch you choose to use to wire in these lights. So here we have it with the light and the antenna in place. We've got our wires routed down under the hood, and then once again, it's just up to you to get those tied into your switch, and of course aim the lights once you have those powered up. Now, as always, if you guys have any questions at all about this product or anything we offer at Victory 4x4, don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can always email us at info@victory4x4.com or call us at 269-459-8447.